Have you seen an image online and you want to add an element from that image into your own photo? So take for example, if you see a photo online that has a car and you want to take that particular car and place that car into your own image. Most of the time that's almost impossible because that image is flat. You don't have access to the layers, you can't move elements from the image around, you can't edit it. You likely have to cut out that car from the image yourself or just add a random car that looks close to what you want. But that's now possible with Canva Magic Layers. So the Magic Layers in Canva really help you to turn a flat image into an editable image where elements on that image can be dragged and moved from one place to another. So for the purpose of this demo, I'm going to be taking a car from an image I saw online and placing it on my own image. Let me show you exactly how this works. So to access Canva Magic Layers, you go over to Canva and it's literally the first element here. You see Magic Layers. So you click on it and now it's asking you to select your media. So I have this media already on my system. So I'm just going to click on select. You can upload your media right here. I just uploaded the sports car image, which is right here. And I'm going to click on this. So this is Canva's Magic Layers in action right now. It's going to scan your photo and separate elements on that photo into editable layers that you can now drag and drop and move from one place to the other. Magic Layers just finished working and you see that I can drag my car, move it. But one thing you can notice is that the text elements have been detached, right? They are on a different layer. So I'm just going to undo this and try to put all of these layers and group them as one. So let me try and move that again. Okay, there's still something else. You know what? I'm going to just delete this and copy all of this and group them. Now when I move the car, it moves, everything moves along as well. So I have my car right now and I want to move this car into a different image, right? So I'm going to add the image right here. I just downloaded this driveway image from Google. I'm actually going to resize this project to fit this dimension. So let's resize this. I think it feels more like this. So I'm going to select the presentation size and resize this design. Okay, so now I can expand it without it losing so much aspect ratio. Cool. So this is the image of my house. Obviously it's not sharp, but that's fine. This is the image of the driveway that I want to insert this car into. So I'm going to drag the car and let's just see how we can play around with this. And yeah, not looking bad at all. Yep. This is what I have, not looking bad at all. I can add a bit of shadow to the car, tweak it a bit. Now you see, this is the power of Magic Layers in Canva. It's so useful when you're working with a static image and you want to be able to move things from that image from one position to the other. Try it out and let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment and subscribe to my channel. My name is Esther and on this channel I teach how to work faster and smarter with AI. I'll see you in the next one.